Hi guys, this episode deals with the ground radar that might be coming up. If you look in the right display, you see this surface SURF. Just look at that. And I'm going to switch to it, and I just noticed it. I think it's new. And I'm going to see if I can pick up any of these ships. So, as you can see, there we go, I just switched to it. And like, this isn't the backup HUD, this is surface radar. As you can see, there's a tab on the left, on the right DDI. The left set of buttons has something to go back to air, but see, I'm in ground mode and I'm not picking up any ships. But I heard in the forums that some guy was picking up ships on his radar, so I was just wondering if anyone else has noticed this. And now let's try it on some ground targets here. These are in the Persian Gulf. They're just trucks and armor and stuff. So to switch to air, I can't. On my video software, it's really small. Yeah, I think I did. And just look at that DDI. Nothing comes up. So as we get closer, it's there. I switched back to air, now back to ground or surface, and still not picking up anything. So if anyone knows anything about this or has any questions, I guess, little as I know about it, it'd be cool if you could leave something in the comments or something like that, so we could find out exactly what that is that comes up that ground display. As you can see, there's nothing coming up on my screen right now, but I'd like to know how to make it come up. So take care, guys.